Exposing the secret to stress-free property selling with Warrior Home Solutions. Meet Emily. Inheriting her parents' old house in Jacksonville, Florida, seemed daunting because she lived in Colorado. The fines were mounting and the rental situation, a total disaster. Emily felt overwhelmed and stuck, wondering how she could maintain it all. Then, a friend recommended Warrior Home Solutions. From the very first call, Emily felt a wave of relief. They promised to buy her house as is. No repairs, no cleanup, no stress. They even covered all closing costs and tackled unpaid taxes and bylaw violations. With compassionate support and expert care, Warrior Home Solutions turned Emily's nightmare into a seamless process. She could finally breathe easy, knowing her burden was lifted. If you're facing a similar challenge, remember Emily's story. At Warrior Home Solutions, we offer tailored, stress-free solutions for homeowners in tough situations. Contact us today, no matter where you are located, and let us transform your challenges into relief.